It looks like someone has already got and unboxed the Galaxy S24 Ultra. A Twitter user Ather posted 2 pictures of Galaxy S24 Ultra with the phone and box on his Twitter account last night, but now not only the tweet but also the account is no more on Twitter. The latest pictures show the phone in a gold color, the frame the same color. This time, we don't see the front screen, but there's an interesting view from the side. It highlights the phone's new titanium frame known for being strong yet lightweight. This is similar to what Apple uses in their newest top-of-the-line phone. The new pictures make it very clear that the S24 Ultra is changing from Samsung's usual curved screen to a completely flat one this year. This view leaves little doubt about this change. Not only the phone box can also be seen in both photos. In the first picture, the box is closed, but in the second picture, the box is opened. But sadly, we didn't see anything inside the box. The Samsung Unpacked event, where the new Galaxy S24 series will be introduced, is set for January 17. Before such events, it's common for some devices to be seen outside of the company. Recently, there was a leak showing the S24 Ultra model, and now we have another one, this time with a few pictures. We recently saw a hands-on video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the courtesy of Ice Universe. Watch my previous video for more information. Basically, we already know almost everything about the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. But I have some more surprise for you. Reliable sources have provided detailed previews of the promotional materials for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, as well as for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Even Blass, a well-known figure in the world of tech leaks, has shared high-quality images that give us insights into the advanced features Samsung is planning to offer with these devices. Samsung is highlighting the improved Galaxy artificial intelligence in the Galaxy S24 Ultra as a key feature. The promotional materials prominently announce Galaxy artificial intelligence is here, indicating that this advanced artificial intelligence technology will be a major focus and a point of excitement for fans of Samsung products. A notable feature of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is Circle to Search with Google. This feature, named Circle It, lets users search for anything displayed on their screen, be it an image, video, or text, without having to take a screenshot. Users can simply circle, highlight, scribble, or tap on the specific item they're interested in, and the phone will provide relevant search results effortlessly. The second artificial intelligence-driven feature Samsung is introducing is Live Translate. This innovative feature provides instant translation during calls into different supportive languages, helping to overcome language barriers instantly. With Live Translate, users can confidently participate in conversations in any language, making it an extremely useful tool for communication around the world. The Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces Note Assist, an artificial intelligence feature designed to transform the way we take notes. It automates tasks like summarizing, formatting, and translating notes, making it easier to handle lots of information and quickly create comprehensive summaries. Note Assist is expected to significantly boost productivity and organization. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts significant camera improvements, including a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, 8K video recording, and a remarkable 100x space zoom. These features suggest that the phone will offer an exceptional experience in photography and videography, particularly for users who value advanced imaging capabilities in their smartphones. In summary, a leaked promotional content for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series points to a smartphone that excels in both hardware capabilities and advanced artificial intelligence features. The focus on Galaxy artificial intelligence highlights Samsung's dedication to offering a more intuitive and smart mobile experience. As the launch date nears, tech enthusiasts globally are looking forward to experiencing these features themselves and seeing the latest advancements in Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series. As usual, let's explore everything about the S24 series, its features, design, and price, to help you decide which model is right for you. Regular viewers might already be familiar with this drill, so you're welcome to check out other videos. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to stay informed about upcoming content. Now let's get right into the details. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB. using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.